can see my current weight. So first thing I have to do is to take this warm water. Hmm. Okay, step one. Okay, guys. Now this is the first challenge, and this is the first day. I have my cucumber and watermelon. So this watermelon, I also add a bit of what? Onions. If you're good with onions, I added a bit of onions. So, let's get there. We are gonna lose weight very soon. For this, you can eat it, okay? But because we are on our weight loss journey, so I don't have to eat this. But if you wish to eat it, eat it. It's healthy because it's a fiber, so it's very nice for your body. Yeah. Now this one is more of cucumber, but I have to mix it. Okay, now I have my lovely cheese here. Okay, now this just have to check it and enjoy it. Let me see if how my skin will look like and my weight loss journey. Mm. Mm. Okay. Oh. Mm. Okay, now the onions. I know that a lot of people will be like, why did I add onions? I will explain it later. Day one,